Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to create a professional bag packaging design in Photoshop. Let's get started. I'll use the Select Subject tool to quickly isolate the main object. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the selection onto a new layer. Press Ctrl-A to select everything, then Ctrl-C to copy it. Press Ctrl-V to paste it. Press Ctrl-T to activate Free Transform. Now, select Warp to adjust the shape freely. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask to apply the design to the bag. Change the blend mode to multiply for a realistic effect. Open blending options to adjust effects and enhance the design. Hold Alt and drag the blending slider to smoothly adjust the blending effect. Click OK. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the bag layer. Drag the duplicated layer above the bag layer. Go to Image Adjustments, Desaturate to remove the colors from the layer. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask to apply the design to the bag. Press Ctrl-L to open the Levels Adjustment panel. Change the blend mode to Soft Light for a subtle lighting effect. Reduce the opacity to soften the effect. Add a Vibrance Adjustment layer from the Layers panel. Increase the Vibrance slider to make the colors pop without oversaturating them. That's it! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.